Hello everyone, and we've reached Unit 2. This is just an extra explanation about something called annoto. This is a program, an Israeli company, who have developed an extra application which we're using together with the videos. It turns the videos into being interactive. So there are other people watching the videos in your group, and you can write to them and write your comments here that everybody can see and share. Or you can use this channel in addition for writing comments or your own notes on the video, things you wish to remember. So let's have a look and see how it works. This is the pop-up window, and at any point you want, you can write here. And I can write to remind you, don't forget, this is an interactive video. Okay, and I send it here. Now I've sent it, and you see at the bottom here, there's an extra line, and here we know where on the video people have written things. And I've written at the beginning, so you can see at the very beginning of the video. You can move it along and with all different places when other people write. So I've written here, don't forget this is an interactive video, and if you want to, you can give me a like, or you can reply. Yes, I know, but so those are things you can do by adding a reply. Let's have a look here. You can look at it from the newest, all the top comments, the ones that people have given the most grades to. This is the only comment here. When we have a lot here, then this will be more appropriate. And the other thing is, it's two different things. There are comments, which is the one that's open that everybody can see. There are personal notes. So you can write your own notes to the things on the video. I think this is very useful when you want to go over this and revise that you've made notes on the video. And here there are preferences, and you can follow the discussions and you get notification. And this is important because you're going to write something, and then other people in the group will reply to you, and you want to know what they've replied and what their reply is. And then you've got this option of follow this discussion. So if we leave it on comments, when we run the video, there are places where the video actually stops. Let me demonstrate. Can you see? It stops and you get a question. So you need to write here on the actual form here where it says comment, your comments about which is really the answer to this question. And then the other people in your group will be able to see what you've written. Now you'll see underneath the video the actual questions that are being asked. You don't answer here, even though they could be multiple choice questions. You only answer within the video. Okay, that's where your score is taken. Now in this unit you can see when you add a comment, you can also add one of these, choose from this list. And I think you'll find this enjoyable, and you'll be able to talk to each other while watching the video. So try it out, try out all the different options. This is in fact 20% of your grade replying on the video, and your teachers do get a list of everything you've written here on the public page. So thank you all very much, and I hope you enjoy Unit 2.